Ngut ki Trai par Dewiong ki baladang shuyok Shen ya ka Mining Lease na ka Tnat mining Jong ka Sorkar Pdeng ki la pynlong ya ka jingialang Nongstoin mynne ka sngi kata ka lai tarik Jymmang hajar pulai ban pynpaw ka jingsngewnguh ya ka jingiarap bat jingtrei shitom ka Sorkar Jylla ha ka bayadai bat ka jingweng no ya ka jingkhang ti Dewiong ha Meghalaya. Ha katei ka jingialang la don lang Myntri rangbah ka Jylla Conrad Sangma ha ryngkat ki officer ka Sorkar. Kumban syupin kan mau, kita ki saungut ki belayo ya ka jingbet ban sedang ya ka jingti Dewiong, kat kum ka jing start science ka ni ka juk menta, ki haban yo ya ka jingbet sana ka Sorkar Jylla, ha ryngkat ka jingya mir jingmut lang bat ki riu pajba, ha shwa bakin sedang ya ka te ka kam. La man syupin kan mau bala khang bat mana ya ka jingti Dewiong ha Meghalaya la menta shi post nam kinti, bat ka jing pelat ya ka jing mana kan long sashi sin pat ka jing kerku ya ki brio ki ba im jakpo na ka ni ka kam.
We are here today in Nongstoin, where some of the miners and project proponents who have just recently received the mining lease from Government of India, Coal Ministry, to start the scientific mining in the state of Meghalaya, have invited us for a felicitation program to thank the government for all the support and the work that we have done in the last 5 years to finally, number one, lift the ban, and number two, to actually start the process of scientific, safe and sustainable mining for the state of Meghalaya. In the process, 4 miners have received the mining lease, post which they will be applying for state clearances like certain environmental clearances, pollution board clearances, and there will be some public consultation, and there will also be some other formalities that need to be completed at the state level. And once that is done, then the process of scientific and safe mining can officially start in the state. As I said, it will take about 45 days to 60 days, but these formalities are very much within the state government. So hence I first of all like to thank the Government of India, especially the Coal Minister, who has been somebody who has supported us all the way to ensure that we are able to open up the coal mining and start the coal mining in a sustainable and scientific manner in the state. So I thank the Honorable Coal Minister, Shri Prahlad Joshiji, who has been instrumental in making this happen. And I thank the Honorable Prime Minister and Government of India for all their support that they have shown in these difficult times so that we're able to start this process. At the same time, in the future, more miners will be applying for the mining lease. And similarly, as the process was there for the current 4 miners, the similar process will be followed for the other miners who have applied. And in the future, other individuals and miners who are interested can also further apply, but the process and procedure for obtaining the lease and the license for scientific mining will have to be followed, just like was followed by the other members who, or the other miners who have finally received the clearances. So I wish them the very best. This is indeed a very, very historic moment, I should say, because for the past almost a decade, the people of Meghalaya, especially the miners and the people who are dependent on the mining sector, especially coal, have really suffered a lot in the past many years. Not only have the people, but even the government has lost a lot of revenue in terms of the royalty. But we are hopeful that all of this is now about to change. Of course, we will not see that the mining will go back to how it was before. There is a process to be followed. But now, the point is that most important is that the process of scientific and sustainable and safe mining will start from now on. So once again, I wish them the very best and really look forward to the entire coal sector opening up and we being able to once again go into the mining sector in a proper manner and follow the rules and regulations and maintain the safety standards and also the scientific standards that are required and be able to now continue with the mining in the future. So Thank you very much.
Who have come here and are giving different political lectures, saying that if we were in government, then why only 4? We would have given to everybody. Let me remind those leaders that when this coal ban took place, you were in the assembly. It was when you were MLAs that the coal mine ban took place. What did you do about it then? Nothing. Friends, it's very easy to talk. Very easy to give lecture. But a true leader's qualities are in delivering what they promise. Leaders don't need to speak much.